Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1582, that is special positions in a binary matrix. And in this we'll be given an m into n binary matrix, and we have to return the number of special position in matrix. And the position is special, ij is special if matrix at that position 1 is present and all other elements in row I and column j are zeros. Okay, so this is pretty a straightforward question. We just try to travel in all the rows and the columns wherever we find one. So let me just zoom in and let's start with the coding. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. So now let's first have the answer variable, or let's say count variable, that will be initialized with 0, and then m is equal to, let's say, mat dot length, and similarly n is equal to mat 0 dot length. Okay. So now, sorry. Yeah. So now let's have a for loop that for, and we'll be traveling in row. So row equal to 0, row less than m, and then row plus plus. Similarly, we'll be having a loop for the columns, and column equal to 0 and column less than n, column plus plus. Okay, so firstly let's set the base condition that if my matrix row column is equal to 0, we don't need to traverse that, so we'll be just simply continuing it. Continue. Okay, so if this is not the case, so let's have a boolean special, because we have to apparently return the special yeah, special position in matrix. So let's have a boolean and special, and let's initialize it with false. Okay, so now let's say if we have found one, this means then only this part of the code will be executing, because if it was 0, if it would have just kept everything. So now firstly then we'll be checking that if one is present in the particular row or not. Okay, so now let's have a int r equal to 0, r less than m, and r plus plus. So what I'll be checking that if my and also we need to traverse in the same column, so we'll be not changing the value of the column. Okay, if mat r call and also uh, equal to 1, and then that particular row is not same as the row where we have found 1, so we have to add another condition, r is not equal to row. So then it means that we have found another one in that particular row only, so we'll be setting special. Oh, okay, sorry, we have to set here, let's say true. Sorry, yeah, my bad. So here we'll be setting special equal to false, and we'll just break out of the loop, so we don't have to check any further. Similarly, we'll be doing the same case for columns, that for int c equal to 0, c less than n, c plus plus. Then in this case we have to keep the row constant, a constant, but we have to change the column. Okay, so if mat row c is equal to 1 and c is not equal to column, then again in this case we'll be setting special equal to false, and we'll be then again breaking out of the loop. Okay, and here what I'll be just doing, that if my special is true, if special is true, I'll be increasing count by 1, count plus plus, and at the end let's just return count. Now let's run it. Okay, I guess I've yeah, I wrote the count in the for loop only. Okay, and now let's run it. Okay, yeah, and it gets accepted, so now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today, and you can follow me on Instagram, there I'm posting reels related to the daily question only, and many other things. We are doing a code dam challenge over there, and you can follow me over there. You can find the link to that in description. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.